Hello! Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. So may finorward sa akin ano. Ito video ni Rapi Tulfo. Bibihira ako mag-react dito eh. Pero baka men, kino-consider ko ito na malalang problema dito sa Pilipinas eh. Na palagi na lang involve yung mga kababayan natin Pilipina. Mga babae talaga no. Anyway, madalas ito, napapanood ko sa Rapi Tulfo minsan. Yung tungkol doon sa may nagkaroon ng boyfriend na foreigner. Anyway, panoorin natin para maintindihan natin.
How can we help you, sir?
I have been in a relationship with somebody for a couple of years now. That
And her name is?
Berry Bartiquillo, or Hanch Berry May Della Pena Bartiquillo. I was recently divorced and I went on a dating site called Pina Love. Because one of my customers of the IT business I run has a Filipino wife, and he said that you should, have a look at Filipino women. They're, very nice girls, and so I did. Within 3 days of being on the site.
Hindi, to be fair naman, totoo naman yun, no? Na iba talaga mag-alaga ang Pilipina. No? Kumpara doon sa kanila. Kaya maraming nahuhumaling sa Pinay eh. Huwag mo nang anuhin yung, sometimes kasi nakikita ko yung mga exotic beauties eh. Pero hindi na yun. Ang pinaka-priority ng mga foreigner talaga yung katangian ng mga Pinay na maalaga.
I was approached by a young lady by the name of Berry. Approached me, started calling me baby.
First day?
Yeah.
She already called you baby?
Yeah, and then she started,
Baby na agad.
we pretty much, she moved me over to Telegram,
Okay.
where,
You had private conversations.
yeah, but it was pretty intense for like,
Pretty intense. When you say pretty intense,
as in,
how would you describe it?
As in the conversation was, like,
Sexy?
No, beautiful. It was a beautiful conversation with a girl that I thought was, really, beautiful.
Maganda naman
As
talaga
in,
sa atin.
we seemed to click, we seemed to spark, and we got along really well. And
The
she said-
spark was there right away.
yeah, and she
the
said
moment you talked
well,
to her or chat-
yeah, it seemed to
with
be, and she said things like, you're the love of my life, and I want to marry you, and all sorts of things, really within the first day. And then from that point, it was like every moment.
Unang araw pa lang, you're the love of my life. Medyo red flag na yun Siguro, inisip ni ate, jackpot siya dito. Ayoko manghusga, no? Pero ano yung magiging reason kung bakit masasabi ng isang babaeng Pilipina na you're the love of my life unang araw pa ng pag-uusap? Pwede mo mangyari? Mga babae, pwede mo mangyari sa inyo yun? Unang pag-uusap nyo, you're the love of my life na agad.
That from the moment, like we spent probably 4 or 5 hours that night talking, and then the next morning started again, and it just kept going for pretty much whatever time it was. It was a long time. So I believe that this girl was I'd just come out of a 20-year marriage, and I kind of I guess I was in the wrong place at the wrong time, and she came along, and I kind of went with that pretty quickly, and I was kind of pretty stupid in the fact that I don't know if I'm stupid or not, but I probably shouldn't have been so gullible.
How did she describe herself to you as far as like what does she do?
Well,
And
she
where
was,
live?
I still stick to the.
She's pretty.
She's beautiful.
Oh, maganda.
I still stick to the, one in a
Wow. Okay.
one in a million. This girl, in every way. She was just really different
In love talaga si kuya, no? Nagiging emotional siya
to anyone I'd ever met.
You're so in love with her, sir.
Really different to anyone I'd ever met, and.
So how did she start asking money from you?
So she never actually asked me for money,
Yan ang problem. Yung pera.
but I wanted to help her because I knew she was poor, and so I straight away started sending, I gave her an allowance.
To be fair naman, hindi naman pala hiningan siya. Nagkusa siya.
So,
I started giving her,
was she going to school at that time?
She was.
Hunch Berry May Bardocchillo, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon po.
Do you know Michael Andre Chandler?
Kilala ko po.
Can you speak in English so he can understand? He's here right now with us and he's complaining about you and he wants to talk to you. So he's so in love with you. Why are you doing this to him? In fact, he's crying and he's very
Meron po
emotional.
kasi kami mga hindi pagkakaintindihan.
Can you speak in English
Wala na.
so that he can
Hindi
understand?
na ako makapag-English ng straight.
So he can, it's okay. So that, he can,
Boyfriend kayo ng ng foreigner, tapos di kayo English, makatanggap kayo ng allowance. Isa dapat yan sa pinag-aaralan nyo, syempre. Importante yan, communication nyo yan eh.
hear your side better if you speak in English.
Because before I told him already about the, I told him about my side, but he just don't listen to it. He always believes, he wants to believe too.
What was it that you told him, he said?
I always explain myself to him, but
What is it that you explained to her? What was it?
things that I do, but he just don't believe me.
The what?
He wants to believe himself, and he
Very-
even said that I'm scamming him, but no, I'm not.
Okay.
Because at first, I did not ask for money.
Aminado yung lalaki eh. Pero sana kung hindi pure ang gusto mo, hindi mo tinanggap. Ano na lang 'yun? Delikadesa na lang 'yun, men. 'Di ba? Kasi doon mauuwi 'yun eh.
I rejected. He knows that. At first, I don't care about money because we met. I'm 18 years old at the time, and I'm just at my grandma. He don't even want me to go outside. I'm just at the gate. I don't really go outside. I have nothing to buy, but
So
but
he
when
gave,
I left my grandma's house, he said
Paano naman eh? Okay naman pala mag-English to eh.
he offered that he's gonna give me money, and
Okay.
since we are about to get married, I accepted it.
he never asked money from you, sir.
Call center siguro to si ate, no?
No,
what she
no,
says.
and as I said to you before,
It was you who volunteered
And he
giving
said to my
money to
family
her.
I did. You started seeing other people as of November of 2024 that I can prove. So why did you start seeing other boys?
Didn't I told you before that the feelings fade, and I'm only staying because my father wants me to not end up with somebody that has that can't provide for me. So one
Mukhang pera, yung pamilya, yung tatay niya daw. Pero sana wag naman ganun, di ba? Siyempre, minamahal ka naman ng seryoso na itong isa. Tapos pag ganun-ganun lang. In the first place, bakit ka umano do sa app? Parang gumawa ka ng account do sa app, tapos may makikilala kang ganyan. Tapos, kung hindi ka sure, dapat hindi mo tinatanggap yung pera para walang masabi. For me, pa rin yun. Although na aminado naman din yung lalaki na siya yung nagkusa, no? Pero kasi ang isip ng lalaki talagang kayo na eh. Tapos ikaw pala yung hindi sure, di ba? Ayun lang.
stayed, and I'm only staying because my father wants me to not end up with somebody that has that can't provide for me. He wants me to be
Galing din naman siya mag-English, ano?
well, I know you get my point, but
I'm not sure I'm getting your point because this is the first time that you're telling me like this. So you're telling me that from November 2024, only 5
at
months.
first we really did fall in love with each other.
2 years, no? Ang nakaraan, di makamove on si kuya.
We really did love each other, but
Okay, but yeah,
in our whole relationship, you just went to the Philippines like 2 times, so we don't really see each other a lot.
okay, but you
Pwede. Pwede naman. Importante din kasi yung presence eh. May point si ate naman. Kasi hindi pwedeng laging ganun eh. Yung laging malayo. Although na ano, oo nga naman, no? Yun lang. May chance talaga na ano yun na mag-fade yung feelings.
Understand the
And so
reason.
the feeling changed, but I believe when we got back together, I told you that I'm just saying because my father wants me to, and I want to listen to them because parents knows best, and I'm listening to them. But I love someone else at time. But I just want to do as my father said.
You did say that at one point in time, your love for him faded, just like that. What was the reason?
May ibang
I
nakilala.
just lost my feelings for him because we don't really go.
You lost
Yeah,
your
a lot.
feelings just like that, with no reason at all.
I just lost feelings.
This was after he gave you a lot
Hindi,
of...
ano yun eh, na-explain naman ni ate eh. Na syempre, hindi niya naman laging nakikita ito, no? Eh, nasa malayo. Sometimes, need niya ng may makasama kasi talaga. Tapos yung pangungulila niya na yun, may ibang nagpo-provide. Oh, yun lang.
money already or before or in the middle of...
For
him-
me, yung issue sa, hindi to issue sa pera eh. Kasi, I don't know lang kung sa end ng video na to ay maniningil si kuya, no? Hindi ko pa napapanood. Pero, mutual naman yung agreement nila na ano eh, na walang nang hingi. 'Di ba? Nagkusa lang naman.
giving you money
Pero sana hindi niya na nga lang tinanggap nung time na yun.
and
Just,
allowances.
it just stopped. And I start to ghost him.
Yeah,
because,
yeah, I understand. I understand,
ghosted.
Miss Berry, but you have to understand as well. He wants to know the reason why, as you said, your love faded. Your love for him faded just like that.
May
So
nakilala
you
ka ba?
never told me the truth. So what happened was, as of November 2024, when your feelings, if you ever
Because
had them,
you
please
know,
stop interrupting me. If your
they just want me to stay
your
with
your
you, but
feelings
I lost
from
feelings for you,
2024
like,
stopped. You never
no,
told
yes,
me they
I
stopped. You
understand
kept
you.
telling me that you loved me and that you wanted to marry me and that I was the love of your life for the entire 1.5 years thereafter.
Feelings is
Hindi kasi nga, pinipressure siya ng magulang niya. She tried na diktahan yung puso niya. Yun na naiintindihan ko dito dahil sa magulang niya. Siyempre nga naman, naiintindihan ko din naman yung tatay, no? Ang gusto ko, mapunta ang anak ko sa good provider. Siyempre, tayo mga Pinoy, mentality, kadalasan mga foreigner, di ba? Nakita ko naman na tinry, medyo kampi naman ako kay ate dito. Nakita ko naman tinry niya, pero talagang hindi eh. Anong gustong mangyari ni kuya? Magpanggap si ate hanggang 2026? Wala 2024. Masakit man ito, no? Pero mas maganda na ito. Di ba?
But
my
you were
feelings
lying
had
to me
changed.
because if your
Because
feelings
like,
had changed for me, then you should have told me that so that I would stop sending you money. But you continued to tell me that you loved me, that you wanted to marry me, whilst you're seeing other men from November 2024.
Wala ka na naman.
And you never told me this, and you kept lying to me so that I would keep sending you money and sending you gifts and sending you laptops and sending you phones,
Tingnan
sending
natin.
you money
130 AUD.
and sending you gifts and
A51 lang naman kuya. Binenta oh. Samsung, hindi nyo nakikita, sorry. Samsung Galaxy A51, 128GB. Pwede pa tumawad daw for 5.
and sending you laptops and sending you phones. And then, yeah, you would ghost me. You'd ghost me because you'd go and see other guys for that week.
That's why.
And then you'd come back, and instead of saying, I don't love you
so
anymore,
it's no
Michael,
longer-
you would say, I love you. I'm sorry I didn't see you because I was in the province and I didn't have mobile reception or
Yun lang. Siguro, naipit din si ate doon sa pressure ng magulang, no? Naipit din siya sa pressure, kaya, ano, siguro nakikinabang din yung magulang sa pinapadala. Magkano ba ang 130 AUD? Tingnan nga natin. 130 yung nakita ko 130. Australian dollar to, no? AUD to 5,000. Ang liit. Ano yun? Weekly? Tingnan nga natin.
Wala ka na naman.
And you never told me this, and you kept lying to me so that I would keep sending you money and
9. Twice a month ang padala. Twice a month. As of this screenshot, kasi pareha sa September September 5 to 10,000 a month. Ano yun? Ano kay kuya? Parang kawalan kay kuya yun? Or ano na lang to, capping out na lang to dahil parang sumbat na lang ito dahil hindi mo lang makuha yung gusto mo. Diba? Pero dapat nga, yun nga, no? Bagamat naiintindihan ko si ate, dapat sinabi niya na lang yung totoo.
sending you gifts and sending you, because you'd go, instead of saying,
Sending
I
money
don't
too,
love you
so
anymore,
it's no
Michael,
longer-
you would say, I love you, I'm sorry I didn't see you because I was in the province and I didn't have mobile reception, or
Because
or
I
my
told
phone
you,
broke.
it's just that they want me to do that.
They want you to do
But I
that.
no
Yung parents nga.
longer love you, but they want me to,
Who?
you know,
Who's they?
to
Who are they?
hook up with
Her parent.
everybody.
Oh, her parents ask you
Doing
to
what they
ask
want.
money from Michael?
Hindi.
I'm
Yeah.
obeying
Si
them.
Rapi Tulfo naman, wala namang humihingi ng pera. Nag-volunteer ito si Michael. Kaya lang, syempre, dahil automatic na nagpapadala si Michael dito kay ate, alam nung parents, ayaw ng parents na mawala yun. Hindi naman nag-ask ng pera. Hindi naman nakikinig si Rapi Tulfo.
You're obeying them? So what you're trying to tell us now, it was your parents who've been asking you to ask money from Michael.
Hindi, walang
No.
ask. Walang
I mean, it's
You
like,
said you were just obeying them. I said,
going-
who's them?
hindi,
You said
ganito
your
po
parents.
Kasi, di ba magpapakasal na kami?
Right.
Kaya ang nangyari, parang, hindi ko naman siya tatakasan na hindi ako magpapakasal, na iniiskam ko lang siya, humingi lang ako
No,
pera.
say it in English so he can understand, please. Okay.
Nauubusan na po kasi ako ng ano eh.
No, you're doing good.
Pero po, nauubusan din ako ng English, kaya parang mas komportable akong Pilipino. Kasi, pag English, naiisip ko kada sasabihin.
No, but,
Oo,
but you,
dito, totoo naman yun. Sana intindihan na lang ni Tulfo. Sometimes kasi tayo, no, katulad, nag-call center ako one time eh. Yan ang naging problema ko. Kasi sa ano ako noon sa, ano ko noon? Yung sa tapat ng SM, Concentrix. Tapos ang account is Sprint. May time na alam ko kung paano ko talaga aayusin yung problema ng kliyente. Kaya lang, kung paano ko i-deliver yung message, doon ako napoprostrate eh. Kaya, hindi ko rin call center. Naiintindihan ko to si ate. Si Rapi Tulfo naman, dapat pinagbigyan niya para ma-explain ng maayos. Then siya na lang ang mag-relay.
but you were when you were in relationship with him, of course you communicated in English with him
Very, very well.
very well.
Pero po, napapagod din po ako. Kaya nun pag nag-usap kami, hindi naman yung, basta po, napapagod din naman po ako mag-English.
She's tired of speaking English, she said.
Yeah, she's also
Hindi,
tired of
nakakapagod
anybody
din naman
telling her what
mag-English.
to do.
She ran out of English, she said.
As of November 2024, when you apparently fell out of love with me, you didn't tell me that. You continued to tell me that you loved me, that you wanted to marry me.
She never told you that she doesn't love you anymore.
No, correct.
Sinabi ko na po sa kanya yung
Kamukha niya si Jillian Ward, no?
Huli na.
even
Nung ano na.
when she has been
Never.
no, never. She's continued to
But she
tell
said
me.
she did explain to you that her love is already faded. Her love for you already faded. That's what she said.
Last month.
That was
That's only been in the last
month.
Yeah, correct. So as of 2024, when I have worked out that she's started to see other men, as of November 2024, she never stopped communicating with me.
And she kept telling you that-
continued telling
she
me
kept
that she
telling you that
loved
she
me
loved you
and
and-
that she was going to marry me and that
Okay.
I'm the love of her life.
And that's why you continue sending money
Of
to her.
course. And then she would ask for things like money for private school, even though she
Private
doesn't
school.
go to private school. So I would
So how
give
much
her-
money are we talking?
Nanghingi ka daw pang private school.
About?
I'd give her 10K here, 10K there, that she would then go and spend on later. I'd find out on aviation day
The what?
simulation, where she sits in a 747 simulator for 8,000 pesos for one day with the money that I gave her for going to private school, which she doesn't go to private school. So she would send me lies telling me that she needs money for private school, for this, for that, for the other. So
Na, Sherry,
Ang gulo. Sinabi mo hindi nanghihingi sa'yo, tapos ngayon, nanghihingi na. Pagiging bitter yata ito eh.
translate from Tagalog to English.
Ang ano po
she
kasi
can speak
niyan,
English fine.
di ba po sinabi kong
Or
tagal
translate, Sherry.
wala talaga ako sa kanyang feelings, napipilitan na lang ako.
Okay, stop. Sherry, translate.
She's saying that she doesn't have feelings for you.
That's great, because I don't either. I had feelings for somebody who wasn't real,
Okay.
Barry.
And then next, go ahead.
Yun, wala na akong feelings noon, kaya nangyari.
Ba't pa nagko-complain, kuya, kung wala na?
Parang, basta po,
Okay.
matagal na ako sa
Say in
kanyang
English.
She lost her feelings, that's all, sir.
She lost her feelings. Yeah,
Tapos
one and
po,
a half
tapos po ako sa iba.
one and a half years ago, you lost your feelings, Barry. If that's what you're saying, but you maintained for one and a half
pa lang, nawala na
years.
yung feelings ko.
You
Tapos,
maintained for
naiinip ako sa
one and a
iba.
half years that you loved me. Even when you were seeing Zalvin and everyone else, you were messaging me from their houses
isa lang ang pinag-usapan
while you were there. You even ghosted me in October, knowing that I was coming, and you went and saw Zalvin in October. The month that
Sabi
you
ko nga
knew,
po,
the month that you
matagal na
knew
akong
I was
walang sa kanya ng
coming,
feelings, mga,
and you continued to
alam-
tell me that you loved me.
You said you came to us because one, you want to talk to her, and then two, you want to tell your story
That's right.
to everybody so that everybody would know, who she is and who you are. Now, that's all that you need from us and from her. Nothing else.
I want to pursue any legal avenue that I can to, whether it be to prove a staffer, whether it be to prove Syndicate a staffer with her family.
How much money?
I believe
Is
it's
it-
about
Siya nag-offer
between
naman.
three.
Ito ang problema, no? Pag binabawi na, yun lang. Di ba?
Yun na.
500,000.
500,000
Noon nga
US
po,
dollars?
sabi ko,
No, no, no,
papasok
no,
ako sa
pesos.
trabaho. Sabi niya,
500,000 pesos, which
babayarin
is
niya na lang daw ako para
10,000.
hindi ako pumasok
It's
sa
not
trabaho.
that much. It's not that much. However, the main thing is that she's wasted 2 years of my
Ano
life.
naman po yun is-
I loved her.
Wala to, hindi naman pala ganun kalakihan para sa kanya yung nawala eh. Parang ano na lang to, bitterness na lang ito ni kuya.
So much. She's put me through so much pain, through so much grief, and she doesn't care.
Can you not just reconcile?
Reconcile?
Yeah.
What does that mean, sir?
Meaning, you and her getting together again.
With a
Parang hindi na rin
pathological
po.
liar? Are you
Oh.
kidding me?
Well, way I look at it is you're still in love with her because you were crying the first time
Of course,
I
of
talked
course
to you
I'm still in
earlier.
love with her, but I'm in love with somebody who's not in love with me and hasn't been in love with me for a very long time,
Okay.
and has not given me the respect.
What is your reaction to it?
Hindi naman din po kami magbabalikan. Basta, gusto niya, ganito.
He said you're a
Hindi, okay
pathological
naman,
liar,
okay
meaning
lang.
ikaw raw isang talamak na sinungaling.
Hindi po, sadyang maano lang siya. Nakaraan nga po, may pinapost nga po siyang video ng babaeng umiinom, kamukha ko daw.
Okay.
Pinost niya pa, nilagay niya kung ano nung sinulat niya
Translate,
doon.
Sherry.
Bandang huli, nakausap niya yung babae ha.
Okay, Sherry,
Yung
translate.
may-ari ng mukha na
You're
pinost niya.
posting
Sabi pa nga,
some
baka siya pa daw
videos of a
ipatulpo
woman.
po siya ng post.
dating
Ganon siya,
person.
basta po sigurado na siya.
That one photo I got wrong because you posted a photo on your Facebook that looked
Hindi, kasi, kailangang unawain din kasi si kuya, masyado nasaktan to. Kaya lang, ang nakikita ko dito, kung wala ka naman palang planong magkaso, at magkikwento ka lang, dapat di ka na nagpatulfo. Kasi wala din naman kapupuntahan ito eh. Siguro wala lang mahanap na kakampi ito si kuya, no? Or may nagsulsul dito eh. Na ipatulfo mo yan eh.
looked exactly
I
the
just
same as
posted.
you,
Kasi
that
sabi ko,
looked exactly the same as you, saying that we are not even allowed to drink, and you posted a photo that looks exactly like you drinking with some guy with no pants on. I got that one photo wrong, but I didn't get everything else wrong. You are a liar and a scammer and a fraud, and this is not over.
Nag-offer ka, sabi mo dahil magkapakasal tayo, bibigyan mo ako ng allowance. Nag-offer
offered
ka
your
ng ganun.
allowance,
Attorney Garrett. So what is your reaction to what Mr. Michael Andre Chandler wants to do?
Senator, first of all, I would like to comment on the breach of the promise to marry. In Philippine law, it's not an actionable wrong, or you cannot seek recovery for something that is akin to a breach to promise to marry. So the fact that her feelings were suddenly lost after apparently 6 months after the 2-year relationship, that alone does not warrant a civil case for recovery. However, you discovered, Senator, through your questioning, that she was in fact not really enrolled in a private school.
Yes.
Despite
Estapa
her
yun.
asking for money for that private school. That transaction, that money that was given,
Oo, parang hindi natupad yun na pag-usapan na kapupuntahan ng pera.
in the form of tuition, can be recovered in the form of a case of either estafa or a civil case for
Estafa.
collection. So those are the options when it comes to recovering what was given. So in short, Senator, there was deceit in the act of the girl, posing like she was enrolled in a public school, in a private school, but she really is not. So
Pero kaya lang, kung kakasuhan niya yun, ano nun? Wala din eh. I mean, ano maidudulot sa buhay mo nun? Ano yun, para makaganti ka lang? Pwede naman, no? At least makabawi ka man lang. Pero I don't think na patatahimikin ka pa rin nun eh.
only amount that we can recover in this.
So Mr. Chandler, as you were saying, can file a case, criminal case of stapa or a civil case of
For recovery
Recovery.
for the money, Senator.
For the money.
But
Did you
I
look
would suggest that it will be faster if we pursue estafa. Anyway, if the girl can produce that she was actually enrolled during the time that she received those money and that she paid that to the school, that will be her defense. But I doubt she can produce that.
One other thing, is there
Wala eh, sa bawsi lang yata yun eh.
is there a way of suing for emotional distress?
Yes. My recommendation that we file for a criminal case of estafa can include emotional damages, and in that way you can recover a small amount for emotional damages suffered, sleepless nights, of course, stress that you actually felt. We can always allege that and then claim it in the form of damages.
Ansberry, when you told Mr. Chandler that you were going to enroll in a private school,
Dapat
and
po talaga, mag-enroll ako nun.
right, and then he sent you the money for the tuition fee for that
Hindi lang
school.
natuloy. Ang sinad niya po, 10K. Hindi natuloy kasi may binayaran sa bahay.
So
Halagang 2K, kukulangin na. Kaya sabi ko, ay sige, sa public na lang ako mag-enroll. Nag-public.
Yun lang. Mali. Dapat, di sana humingi ka na lang ng iba para do sa gastusin sa bahay.
ako. Tapos yung pera, pinanggastos-gastos ko na lang.
okay, so
Pagluloko
that
ka
means
yun.
the money he sent you intended
Inamin
for
niya
the
pa
tuition
sa
fee
ano, no?
in a private school, it was diverted to a tuition fee in a public school. But I think public school doesn't have a tuition fee.
Ano nangyari? Parang may babayaran sa bahay, halagang 2K, edi 8K na lang, kukulangin na po para sa 10K.
Oh,
Kaya
okay.
sabi ko, ay sige, sa public na lang ako mag
All right.
Tapos yung
Translate,
8K,
Sherry, translate.
Hindi ko po pinambayad.
The
Hold on.
Wala nang
10,000
bayad sa
pesos that
public.
you gave her is not enough
Pinanggastos-gastos
for
ko po,
private
pamasahe,
school.
pamasahe.
So, she spent it at
I have the text message that she says when she asked. She said her parents have already raised 6,000 or 7,000, and that she needs the 10,000 gap. So the 10,000 was the exact amount that she needed, apparently, to make up to bridge the private school fee that they already had saved. So the text message which
Wala ako.
I have
Wait
here,
lang, ha?
Mary, you know I have every.
I think that is expensive. Santa needs to buy present. You're gonna give me presents, baby, but I can't even give you some. I'm not buying you present, baby. Santa is. Are you gonna name yourself Santa in the Shopee, baby?
everything here. She says, "Baby, I need your help."
Oh, she calls you baby.
Oh, she calls me baby. That's the whole
And what do
time
you
it's
call
been
her?
baby. Baby.
Baby.
Yeah, baby. In fact, we had a little song, baby. But
Last message for her.
Barry, I know you're planning on doing this again. We've seen through your Facebooks and through your different accounts that you're trying to befriend other foreign men now as well. I'm not going to let you get away with this. I loved you so much. I'm going to make sure that everybody knows who you are, and you're not going to do.
Well, allegations lang naman yon na ano. Pero nakikita ko dito, I don't think na ipo-person yung estafa na yun. Malas lang ni babae ko ipo-person niya, no? Pero, mas maganda, let go na lang yan eh. Diba? Eh, may pagkukulang din naman si lalaki din pala eh. Hindi ka naman umuuwi. Diba? Hindi talaga magwo-work yun. Pwede siguro, dalhin mo siya mula dito, papunta sa inyo. Ngayon, kung nagloko pa rin siya na ganun ang nangyari, eh talagang malandi itong babae. Pero sa nakikita ko kasing takbo ng usapan, bitter lang yung lalaki eh. Ano ngayon kung naghahanap ng ibang foreigner? Meaning serial, nag-agree ka naman nung una na ikaw nagpresenta. Pati yung yung conversation nila, parang nagpahiwatig ka na ikaw yung magbabayad talaga na parang hindi hiningi eh. 'Di ba? Anyway, ang lesson na lang na matututunan diyan, kung di kayo sigurado, pagdating kasi sa foreigner, pag kayo ay nandiyan kasi yung sitwasyon nyo, given na yung sitwasyon nyo ng long distance eh. Dapat handa kayo doon. Kasi papasukin nyo kasi parehas yon. Handa kayo dapat na gawin yung mga or sa mga mangyayari. 'Di ba? Kung feeling nyo mawawala naman yung bata kasi si ma'am eh. Marami pa kasing gustong gawin sa buhay si ma'am din. Pag mga ganyang edad, hindi talaga hindi seryoso talaga yung usaping kasalan diyan eh. Let go na lang yan. Ano gagawin mo diyan? Maaabala ka? Pag nag-file ka ng case diyan, kailangan tutukan mo din yan, 'di ba? Sana sinettle nyo na lang sa private. Anyway, ano masasabi nyo dito sa case na to? Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye.